There we are, little one. Just a few more touches. If only you're a real boy.
Hello, Father. My goodness.
You can speak!
Look at me. I can...
Greetings, kind sir. And hello to you, wooden boy. I am here to be your conscience. You must be a good and go to school.
School? What is school?
You will need these for your first day. Make me proud, Pinocchio.
The world is so big.
Wait up, Pinocchio! Do not wander off the path!
Look at that.
Remember what your father said. We school first.
I will be the best student. Look how tall I am up here.
Pinocchio, get down from there instantly! You will ruin your nice bright red overalls. It is like a rolling ship! Whee! Pinocchio, stop this barrel at once! We'll crash! A boy of wood must have a head of sense.
I am sorry, my wise friend. I just wanted to play. These smell wonderful.
Focus on the path ahead, Pinocchio. Your father is counting on you. He is such a brave little puppet. Today is the start of a wonderful life for him.
Do you hear that music? It sounds like a parade.
Music? No, no, no! School first, parades later! I just want a quick look! A quick look leads to a long detour! Stay on the path!
But I have never seen a parade. I must see it.
Your father worked so hard for that school primer! Do not disappoint him!
I will go to school right after. I promise.
I will not let you pass! Turn around this instant! You are too small to stop me, little bug. See you later! Why do I even try? Wait for me, you stubborn blood-bow wood!
The parade is getting louder.
Stop, Pinocchio! That is not a parade, too!
I will just watch for 1 minute.
You are being disobedient! It is a puppet show, not a parade!
A puppet show? Like me?
Yes, but they are just wooden strings. You are special. Now, go to school!
I have never met other puppets. I want to say hello.
They cannot talk back! They are not like you!
I will just buy 1 ticket. Then I will go to school. Here I come.
He must be sitting at his desk by now, learning so many new things.
1 ticket, please.
He traded his lunch for a puppet show. What a foolish wooden boy.
Look, they are made of wood, just like me.
from there! You are interrupting the show!
But I want to dance with them. I do not need any strings. Look at me dance!
Oh, this is going to end badly. Very badly indeed.
Thank you! Thank you all!
You have had your fun! Now get down from there! What?
Who is that?
It is the Puppets Master!
Why should I run? He just wants to say hello.
Oh, you stubborn block of wood! Hey, put me down! I do not have strings!
He should be out of school by now. Where could he be?
I want to go home. I miss my father.
I told you to stay on the path, Pinocchio. Now look where you are.
I sold my book for a ticket. I let my father down. The Puppet Master gave me gold!
That is a very lucky break, Pinocchio. Take this straight back to your father! I will run all the way home!
I cannot wait any longer. I must go find my boy.
Wait a moment! What happened to the apple your father gave you?
I gave it to a poor, hungry dog.
Lies make your nose grow, Pinocchio. Tell the truth. I ate it! I ate the apple because I was hungry! I'm sorry. A brave boy tells the truth. Now, let us go home before anything else happens.
I will never lie again.
Let us find your father!
Pinocchio? Where are you?
My boy! You are safe!
I missed you so much! Look what I brought back!
Your safe return is the only treasure I need.
I promise to go straight to school tomorrow.
He might just make a fine boy after all.